Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? This is Stock Vision, the channel where we talk about the stock market, hundreds of different stocks that we can invest in and trade. Also, we can make our money grow. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to Hulk smash that subscribe button. Tell everyone that you know so we can all make our money grow together. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about two stocks that I have on my watch list that I've been watching that could have the potential to be headed to higher prices here in the near future. The first one is Gores Guggenheim, ticker symbol GGPI. Now, Gores Guggenheim is what's called a SPAC, SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company. It's not a real company. Their sole purpose is to merge with an actual business, an actual company, so that company then can be traded on the stock market. So now Gores Guggenheim is going to be merging with a company named Polestar, which delivers and makes electric vehicles. Now, one great thing about Polestar is that they're already generating revenue and they're already delivering cars. They've already delivered 13,600 cars. So that's good news for the sentiment of the stock. So now Gores Guggenheim closed today at $10.84. You can see it's already going up in after hours. It's at $11.39. The merger was approved today. So on Friday, GGPI, whoever owns the stock after tomorrow, is going to trade under PSNY. So they're going to merge together. Just real quick, Polestar, these are some of their cars. I was looking at it and they're pretty nice. All right. So this is definitely something that has the potential here in the near future to pop right off the planet. So we're going to look at the chart, see if the chart's telling us or giving us any more indication for higher prices that are going to come. So we're looking at the daily chart. It's been listed on since the 21st, since May 19th of 21 is when Gores Guggenheim hit the market. So it's kind of been trading around. It popped all the way up to $16.41. I'm guessing that's where they announce who they're actually going to be merging with, because a lot of these SPACs, they come on the market and they actually don't have a company yet that they're going to merge with. So unless they announce it, it tends to pop, and it did to 1641. So now it's kind of been trickling around, trading sideways, and it's been going down, right? So now this is June 16th. This is last week. You can see it hit a 52-week low. So all the way down to the bottom of that candle, the price was $8.53. Then the very next day, last Friday, the 17th, this big green candle was printed. So that's a good sign. Price is going up the whole trading day. Then the bears came back. So the bears are people that want the stock to go down. They're sellers pretty much. Bears came in, the price went all the way up to 11.46. They said no, 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 started selling, and then it went down the whole trading day yesterday, and it closed at $9.69. Then today it printed this huge big green candle you can see right here, right? So it engulfs this candle from yesterday, so that could be a good indication that higher prices are set to come in the future. Also couple that with the merger that was just approved, this has a good chance of going higher. This is almost a Marabouzo candle, but this upper wick kind of denies that. However, it still engulfs the candle from yesterday. So make sure you put GGPI on your watch list, because I can definitely see this has the potential to literally pop right off the planet. Now, if you do get into this trade, a good time to always think about selling is always when you're up 10% or higher. 10% up, think about selling. 20%, 30%, 50%, yeah, you might definitely want to think about selling, because as quickly as that goes up with this volatile market, that could quickly go all the way down to where you're down 50% as opposed to being up 50%. That's how quick it can happen. So always make sure you protect yourself, okay? The other stock I want to talk about real quick is Acadia Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol ACAD. This came to my attention because it hit an all-new 52-week low, and it hit that on yesterday. It went all the way down to $12.24. But do you see this huge big gap right here on the chart? Right? There are no candles there. Now, 90% of time, gaps get filled on charts sometimes in the future. How do we find the price? So we'll look at the candle that was printed last Thursday. The low was $17.89. That's why I have this green line at $17.89. That's where this gap is on the chart. Now, couple of things that I noticed on this chart as well. Here's a hammer stick candle. Hammer stick candles are a good indication that the previous trend is going to end. So the previous trend was coming down. So that's sometimes an indicator. We prefer it to be green because a green hammer stick candle is a lot stronger than a red one. But today it printed an engulfing candle. So this candle here that we printed today engulfs the body of yesterday's candle. So that could be two indications that this stock wants to go higher. Now there is what's called a 3-day rule. When something falls through the floor as much as this did quickly, when there's a big gap, there's a 3-day rule. So you typically want to wait 3 trading days to kind of figure out or determine, is this going to break to the upside or is this going to continue to go lower to the downside? So yesterday would be the first trading day. Today will be the second trading day. Tomorrow will be the third trading day. So keep this on your watch list. Currently, right now, it's at $13.27 after market from what the price is at. So keep this on your watch list. This could have the potential also in the near future to go to the upside. Okay, so those are two stocks that we're looking at. Make sure you continue to watch them. I'm going to watch them for us. I'll continue to keep us posted on the progress of them. If you do get into the trade, good luck. Let's make this money grow. And for all you that don't know, as always, when you watch this channel, make sure you Hulk smash that like and subscribe button. Tell everyone that you know so we can all make our money grow together. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.